Hey Fruit Faces, it's KlaireeBerry. I'm all hot and sweaty. Just got back from a walk. It is a beautiful day. I went on 2 long 45-minute walks with Rocky hikes up the hill, working the glutes, feeling good. I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. I went to Menards and bought a bunch of stuff, but I didn't do a haul because it was basically just like a little snacks here and there. Not all of them were the healthiest. And I totally forgot what I got here. So I'm honestly just opening this and I'm going to be just as surprised as you guys are, basically. Oh, I think some of this is actually my Amazon Subscribe and Save. You guys, you can get your Amazon Subscribe and Save without having Amazon Prime. So basically, you find good stuff that's on Prime, but also Subscribe and Save, like you don't even need to get it, and you save more if you get it. Plan ahead and get it on your Subscribe and Save. So this is Edward and Sons, made with organic brown rice. Ooh, I'm actually really excited about these. Case of crackers, okay? These are good. They're like super low in fat. I used to get the no salt ones, and they were kind of bland because I used to be a low salt freak. But I decided to, here we go ahead and get these. Toasted onion. These, instead of eating chips and salsa, I will eat these and salsa. And to me, it's like the same thing. It's so good. 0.5 grams of fat per serving, which is about 8 crackers. So not bad. Got pretty good ingredients here, all organic. Yeah, baby. So not sure what the price is off the top of my head. This was not in my, I did not have this shipped. This is so cheap. This is our cleaning supplies. Also, I'll put this in laundry sometimes. You can make a spot treater. You can do a lot with this. Clean your whole house with a little bit of water, even windows. So that is my basic cleaning supplies. Went ahead and I get this on Amazon Prime. Absolute cheapest anywhere that I can find it. Gotta have the vitamin D. They always take too many sprays though, don't you, little boys? I can see you critiquing the way I'm opening this box in your head. You're like, why are you opening it like that, Mom? Teenagers. What, you're not going to come say hi in the video? You can say hi in the video, Josh. Everybody loves you and they want to see you. Somebody told me that when I posted that other one that you stole the show. Okay, so I'm wanting to save money. So, oh my gosh, this actually makes me really excited. Oh my gosh, this whole thing is pinto beans. Yeah, do you think I got enough here? I don't know, not pinto beans, these are black beans. I'm with it. So yeah, this was less than 60 bucks for these. This is gonna last us for a while. Last year I think I got pinto beans, but black beans are a little bit lower in fat. And it's good to switch things up, right? Here you go, Josh. Fill it up with some giveaways. Okay, so, and that was, I can't remember if that was on Subscribe and Save or not. I think it wasn't, unfortunately, but I'll bite that off in anyway. Love. And so I got my rice. So we're going to be eating a lot of beans and rice lately. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I was actually wondering when this was going to come in. This was not an Amazon thing at all. This is from International Food Source. And wow, I used to get dates from, I think it was just medjooldates.com. I can't find that company anymore. It was nice because it came in a little box. It was pretty good as far as ecologically friendly. Oh my God, do you think I have enough dates? I am loving this, you guys. Oh yeah. So, this will be good because I can reuse this trash bag when I'm done with it as a trash bag. Hopefully these are good. They look pretty good. I don't even think these are Medjool dates. And this company has no invoice in here, so I don't even know what kind of dates they are. I don't know what kind. It was from, I think, yeah, International Food Source. But I think the website was something else. What does that say? Oh, is it in there? Yeah, pull it out and let's see. Let's just see about this, shall we? Josh, the smart one in the family. Yeah, but I'm really excited because I've been craving some Gatorade. You know how I go through nothing?
It's just that shipping stuff.
International Food Source. I thought it was like nuts.com or something, but I guess not. They're a seal dates. So I've never had these before. They're pitted as sealed dates. So I will let you guys know how good these are. Hopefully there's not any molder bugs in them like sometimes I hear about people. Usually I get Costco dates, and I have no problems with mold or bugs with those. Sprouts dates are like second place to that. Like I said, I used to get MejewelDates.com, but I've been hearing a lot of people say the Amazon dates, Amazon Whole Foods produce, whatever, those were bad, and I think Aldi's had mold in them, somebody else maybe, I don't know. Anyway, let me know if, yeah, so I'm so excited to get these dates. In fact, I think I'm gonna make some Datorade right now. Such a good, filling, high energy food, tasty as hell. I put a little bit of vanilla in, lots of water, lots of dates, and it's awesome. So yeah, that is my box opening. Got all of it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to eat your fruit.